This week, Joe is going to share with us an old-time plumber's trick.
Well, this is an oldie but a goodie, Danny, and it works really well when you need to caulk along the top of a tub. What I did is I filled the tub with water first, and that weighs down the tub, so if there's any flexibility in the wood framing underneath, the tub will be at its lowest point. So what I did is first I took a straight blade screwdriver and I scraped out all the old caulk. Then I took some blue painter's tape and I put 2 strips of it along the wall and the tub just to create a nice guideline for my caulk for when the new caulk goes in. And so then you just take some good tub and tile caulk and apply it right to the cleaned out joint.
Now, the reason the caulking will work a lot better than the original grout is that caulk is a lot more flexible, so that when it does flex, you won't have it chipping out like the grout will do.
You're right, and this will stay, this is a silicone, so this will stay flexible for years. And what you want to do is you want to fill that entire joint and let it stay there overnight. And then drain out the water, because if you drain it out too quickly, it will rise up. We want it to stay at its lowest point until all the caulk is cured.